If you have real fussy hair, then you know there is pain in parting, especially for braids. And there can also be unnecessary hair loss. In this video, I am going to show you how I detangle my hair for painless parting and reduce hair loss. I washed my hair and deep conditioned it in twist 2 days ago. So today I just took the twist out, wet my hair and applied this conditioner. I prefer to work in sections, so I put my hair in 8 sections. Next thing I do is finger detangle. This step is a must for me. I can't skip it. Remember my broken white tooth comb? I use it to detangle in the second step. If you have seen this comb before and you are not subscribed, I don't know. My subscriber count is embarrassing, honestly. The real problem with parting is the roots. So I use my small comb. I see you looking at me like I'm about to ruin my hair, but don't worry, I've done this before and I still have hair on my head. You must have noticed that I am not running the comb through the entire length of my hair. I just push the tangles 1 to 2 inches away from the scalp. Then I remove them with a white tooth comb. At this point, I should try a detangling brush. It is about time. Next thing I do is braid that section down. Have you liked this video already? If not, please do. It is a very free thing to do and it will help me a lot. Let me just shut up now and let you watch. You must be thinking I lose a lot of hair doing this, but no, this is all the hair that came out of this. I would normally leave my hair to dry in these braids, but I am no longer satisfied with the results. Issue is I don't have the required arm strength for African threading. I don't. And I am trying to avoid heat too. So I am trying this new method. I will share it with you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.